Started punching my back and hitting my backside.
Daisy Claire alleges a man attacked her while she was working at a Vancouver medical clinic in 2021.
I asked him to comply with one of our policies, and he got really angry. He threw what he was eating at my face, and he leapt towards me.
The man was charged with 1 count of assault, but days ago, Claire found out that charge was stayed, partly because it took too long to get to trial. The Jordan decision, a 2016 Supreme Court of Canada ruling, says provincial court cases must be heard by 18 months after charges are laid, or 30 months for Superior Court cases. Any longer than that, and the accused can apply to have their case thrown out. The goal, to uphold an accused person's charter right to a speedy trial, but some say it has backfired.
It angers me that something that has a good intention is being utilized and weaponized against victims of male violence.
A stayed charge means the Crown has dropped the charge before the accused could be acquitted or convicted. Court data obtained by CBC News shows more than 100 BC cases have been stayed since the ruling. Cases are also being thrown out in other provinces.
It's disturbing in the fact that we shouldn't be staying any cases.
Over a dozen sexual assault cases have been tossed out in BC.
It's devastating. It's adding a secondary trauma to the original trauma of violent attacks that women are experiencing.
Legal observers say more judges and Crown attorneys are needed to speed up the court process, a shortage fueled by the pandemic and retirements. BC's Attorney General says the BC Prosecution Service has been actively working to reduce systemic delays for several years and continues to do everything it can to meet the timelines established by the Supreme Court of Canada. As for Claire, she says the 2021 alleged attack still affects her life every day.
I'm certainly more fearful of approaching people and just asking basic, instructions.
She hopes others don't have to go through similar experiences. Yasmine Ghania, CBC News, Vancouver.